Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today we're comparing two smart finance apps head to head, and they are Docyt and Synder. If you run an online store, manage multiple transactions, or just want AI to handle your books, this video is for you. Let's start with the main focus. Docyt focuses on AI-powered bookkeeping and accounting automation, while Synder focuses on syncing online payments and automating accounting. When we look at their AI capabilities, Docyt AI automates reconciliation, categorization, and real-time insights, while Synder automatically imports sales, fees, and taxes from e-commerce. When we look at who or what they are best for, Docyt AI is best for businesses needing end-to-end bookkeeping automation, while Synder is best for e-commerce sellers using Stripe, Shopify, and PayPal. When you look at ease of use, Docyt AI has a clean AI dashboard, is more advanced, and has more advanced features, while Synder has plug-and-play integrations and very user-friendly. Lastly, pricing. Docyt AI has a premium plan, full-service AI accounting, while Synder has a flexible plan and pay-per-transaction pricing. Here's a breakdown. Docyt AI acts like your personal AI accountant, handling bookkeeping, reconciliation, and giving you real-time finance health updates. Synder, on the other hand, is an e-commerce specialist. It syncs payments from Shopify, Stripe, Amazon, and more, then pushes that data straight into your books. So here's a quick takeaway. Docyt AI equals full bookkeeping automation, while Synder equals best for online payment syncing. Both save you hours, but the right pick depends on whether you need all-in-one AI accounting or streamlined e-commerce integration. So, which one would you choose for your business? Drop your answer in the comments below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick finance breakdowns, only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.